Hello everyone, you are welcome to basic programming class. So today we are going to learn basic programming. And remember last week I said this week we are going to learn some instruction. Now it is very good to learn basic programming as a learner, as a beginner, because when you know how the computer operates based on instruction, you'll be able to write your own instruction in as you progress. So let's start. So remember last week I've asked you to download some app from Play Store, or if you are using Apple Store. And for those of you that are using system, I will show you how you can do your own, or better still, maybe you use phone. Now to use this basic program, so let me show you this particular one. We need internet because it's internet based. So I will on my internet now, and I believe you can do this. Make sure your internet is on before you write the instruction. So I've on my data. Now for now I will close my camera so that we can concentrate on the basic program. So I'll remove it. Now the next thing, let's click on basic compiler. So the first program I would like us to write is a program that includes print statement as one of the keyword, because any program that you write without print statement, the program will not show you the answer. So that is why it's very important. So let's start. Type print from your keyboard, print, then put quote or quotation mark. Then I would like us to write hello programmer, then close the quotes, then press enter, the blue button on your keyboard, then type another print, put quotes. Now type year 3 Emirate, then close the quote. Remember to close the quote. Type another print, put the quote. Now type year 3 Jasper, close the quote or quotation mark. Now print again, put the quote. Okay, there's error there. Put the quote. Now what we put now, I love programming. Now close the quote. Now to see what the instruction you have been writing since, we will click on this particular button, this green button, to run the program. Run means show us what we have been working on since. So click on this button to run the program. So let's click. So I've clicked. You see, if you look at this output, the result of our work, it does not show print again, because that statement only instruct the computer to show us the answer. And remember, everything in quote is what we say here. Hello programmer, year 3 Emirate, year 3 Jasper, I love programming. Alright, I believe you are following. Now I would like us to still use this print statement to write another instruction. So let me clear everything on the screen. Everything. Okay, so we still use print. Watch this, so that if you don't get it the first time, you can get it now. Now I will type font type is people's choice. Then remember to close the quotes. Print again. Then put I love Fontage. As you can see. Now let's run the program. To run the program, we still use this green button. You click on it to run the program. So let's click. As you can see, I've clicked. So what's the result? Fontage is people's choice. I love Fontage. Everything in quote is showing in our answer here. And if you look at it, print is now there and quotation mark is no more there. That is a way programming work. Now we can still use this same programming language to write instruction, maybe in mathematical form. So that's the next thing we're going to do. Type A, that is introduce a variable string. All right, A equal, this program is to add two numbers, so we put A equal 10, enter, B equal 5, C. Now when you get to this step, there's no need to write 5, 10 again. We only use A and B because the computer already understands what A stands for and what B stands for. So you put your B. Now press enter. Now this is where we apply our print statement. So let me put print. Print what? What do you think we will print? That is, we want the computer to display the answer in C. Okay, C. Now let's run the program by clicking on this same button. So click. Now when we run this program, you see it's showing the answer is 15. As maybe when you are using calculator on your mobile phone or the main mathematical or scientific calculator. So remember, anytime you are using calculator, they have the instruction written in the memory of that calculator. That is where the calculator fetch the instruction or the answer for you. So now I can still use this same program to multiply these two numbers by clicking on this plus sign and remove it and put multiplication sign. Now multiplication sign here in programming is not X that we always use in math, but it's called asterisk. You will see a star on the keyboard, so I click on the star. So if I click on to run the program, you see the answer. You see it has changed from the previous answer. So now it's showing 50. That is, if you multiply 10 by 5, it will give you 50. So let's go back. Now I can still change it using division sign. Now what's division sign? It's not the normal division sign in mathematics, but it's a forward slash. Look at the board. Can you see? It's a forward slash. So if I run this program, it will still give me the answer as 2. That is 10 divided by 5. The answer is 5. I believe when you practice it, you will understand it more. Alright, I would like us to write one more program. Okay, you can still change that sign to minus and see what the computer will give you. So let's do the last programming language. Now this one is to add 3 numbers and get the average. So the first thing we say put A equal, you can say 5, B equal 10, then let's put C equal to 20, C equal to 20. Then the next step, which is step 4, sum. If you put sum, the computer already understand what you are writing. Put sum equal A plus B plus C. Now the next one, average. Average, you can write it in full, equal average equal sum divide, that is the forward slash, by 3. You know the number we have here, 5, 10, 20, they are 3. Average is the number divided by them, the number. So divide by 3. So now the next thing for the computer to show us the answer is write print sum. The next one, print average. Print in quotes, I love programming. Then put a quote. Alright, if you follow the instruction like this, that is a program to add 3 numbers and get the average. Let's run the program and see the results. Click on this button, that's where you always click to run the program. You can have as many print statements in a programming language. So let's click. Now when we click, you will see the answer. See, now the reason why we are having this is because of what we put in our A, B and C, and the average is 11.6667, and the answer is I love program. Now I would like us to change something so that we make it simple. So let's change this 5 to 2, change this 10 to 3, change this 20 to 10. Now let's run the program. Let's see what to give us. You see, this one gives us a perfect answer. So we have the answer is 15, and if we divide 15 by 3, it shows the answer is what? 5. And look at the last time we put there, I love programming. So if we go back, see, A equal 2, B equal 3, C equal 10, sum, that is add A plus B plus C. The average, that is the sum that you added together, 10 plus 3 plus 2, then divide it by the number, that is by 3. Now print the sum, that is what the sum is, 10 plus 3 plus 2, that will give you 15. Then print average, divide that 15 by 3, then display I love programming. So if you have any problem, friends, you can send it so that we can both work on it, and make sure you write the program like my own. Program is very simple, especially when you learn it at a tender age. Thank you. Alright, well, it's very simple.